how you ride.
Yo, so recently I went cruising with the homies with their GTRs, and it was pretty damn fun. I put the clips together for you guys, so prepare for an experience. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. Follow the car build on Instagram at Sazagen so you can keep up with it. And of course, shop TunerGodz merch, TunerGodz.com. The link will be in the description below if you want to support your boy Saze. Well, let's get into it. Man, you know I had to come cruising with a homie in the GTR. ETR. So yeah, dog, let's get some cool clips in. that's gonna wrap it up right here, yo. It was super fun. Love the homies. The homies GTRs are amazing. I mean, you see the shirt, it says GTR. Love GTRs, man. Like I said before, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. Definitely follow the car build on Instagram at SazzyGen so you can keep up with it. And shop TunerGodz merch to support the channel, my people. Link will be in the description below. But that's it for this video, yo. Peace, love, sleep, and grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one, because Sazzy vlogs.
Baby, the way you throw it back, I be losing control. Baby, I see a future together, maybe I'll talk. Rumors crazy, they saying we won't make it till tomorrow. Baby, got your hair in my life. With you, I feel like heaven.